Good afternoon, friends. This is Parijat sir classes going on, and we are today starting the topic of integration, and in which we will be covering up the type 1 of it. So please keep a note of this very carefully without wasting time. So let's go ahead. So see, these are the integration formulas given. So my request is, please, you have to go through it and write them as much as possible. Please, these are the integration formulas. Without them you cannot do this chapter. So my request is, try to watch this formula list as much as possible, because without this you cannot do the integration chapter. So my request is, please keep seeing this when I am doing the numericals of this particular type. So today we will be doing up the type 1 of this integration. So let's get started. So first of all, what we will do is this formula, that is integration of x to the power n is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. For example, integration of root x. Now root x means x to the power half. So I will write x to the power half plus 1 by half plus 1. So x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So it is 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus c. Okay. So using this formula only we will do first. So integration of 1 by root x. 1 by root x is what? X to the power minus half. So with minus half, now I will do minus half plus 1, because we have to do n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this integration of a to the power 3. So please watch one thing, that is a to the power x log of a, suppose it is k, is k to the power x. Please note this is very important thing. Okay, keep noting it. So 3 will go up as a power here. So as I told you, this will be treated as x cube. So x cube, so power will increase by 1, 3 will become 4, so x to the power 4 by 4. Now here again this 5 will go here, 4 will go, 3 will go here, 2 will go here, and now this will be treated as x to the power 5 minus x to the power 4. So taking x to the power 4 common and x to the power 2 common from the bottom, this cuts. x4 by x2 is x square, so x square will be x3 by 3, because it is x to the power n plus 1 by integration of x to the power n. Integration of x to the power n is n to the x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So integration of x to the power 2 will be x to the power 3 by 3. Next, see 2 by 1 plus cos 2x. Please remember 1 plus cos 2x. Let me write it here. 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sine square x. 1 plus sine 2x will be cos x plus sin x whole square. Similarly, 1 minus sin x, sin 2x will be cos x minus sin x whole square. Please, these are the things you have to note, which will help you in doing the sums. So let's get started. So 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x, 2 cuts, 1 by cos square is sec square, and watch here, integration of sec square is tan x plus c. Clear? So using this we will solve it. 1 minus cos 2x. What is 1 minus cos 2x? 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sine square x. 2 sine square x. 2 cuts. Sine square x is cosec square x, and integration of cosec square x is minus cot x. Clear? Next, cos 2x plus 2 sin square x by cos square x. Okay, cos 2x is 1 minus, so please watch here. What is cos 2x? Cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay, or it can be 2 cos square x minus 1. So any one of them we can use it. So cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x. So because this will cut, so 1 by cos square is sec square and sec square is tan x. We have seen that. 2 cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x. So this cuts. 1 by sin square x is cosec square and cosec square is minus cot x plus c. Now e to the power x log e a. So this x will go up and this is actually what? A to the power x. And what is integration of a to the power x? What is integration of a to the power x? So here is integration of a to the power x is a to the power x by log a. A to the power x by log a. So let's get started. Similarly, this a will again go up and this is x to the power a. X to the power a is looking as integration of x to the power n. So it will be x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Clear? E to the power x into a to the power x. So taking ea to the power x common, it is looking like a to the power x. It is looking like this formula. So which is a to the power x by log a. Which is a to the power x by log a. 2 sin x. 2 goes out. Sin x. What is sin x? What is sin x? This is sin x. This is sin x. Sin x is minus cos x. Sin x is minus cos x. So using this we get it. 3 to the power x plus 2, we write it 3 to the power x. This is 9. 9 goes out. It is looking like a to the power x integration of a to the power x dx, which is a to the power x by log a. Similarly, let's see this sum. So we can break it like this individually. So this becomes x, this becomes 5, this is 4, this. Now here x means, integration of x means it will become x square by 2. 5x, please note here one thing. Please note here one thing, that is integration of, please note here one thing, that is integration of dx is x. Please keep in mind this thing. So now let's see. So this is integration of dx is x. This is 1 by x and 1 by x. Please note here 1 by x. What is integration of 1 by x? What is integration of 1 by x? Here is integration of 1 by x is log x. Log x. Integration of 1 by x is log x. So this becomes, this is, so this becomes log x. X to the power minus 2 will be x to the power minus 1 by minus 1, because it is x to the power, it is looking like x to the power n. Okay. Now a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So x will be x square by 2. 1 by x is log x and dx is x. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So we did this, so this becomes this. Okay. X to the power 6 will be x to the power 7 by 7. X to the power minus 6 will be x to the power minus 5 by minus 5. 3x square will be 3x cube by 3. And x to the power minus 2 will be x to the power minus 1 by minus 1. So this is that answer. Next, friends, let's see. So now what we are doing, we are taking x square common from here and 1 common from here. This cuts. So x square is x to the power 3 by 3 and dx is x. Now whenever the upper power is equal or bigger than the lower power, equal or bigger, you have to divide it. So first it will go with x square. So x square into x square is x4. Then x square into minus x is x cube minus x cube. Then x square into plus 1 is x square. Changing the sign, this cuts. So it is x cube plus 1. And now we have to take with plus x, because x into x square is x cube. X into minus x is minus x square. X into plus 1 is plus x. Changing the sign, this cuts. It is minus x square minus x plus x square minus x. Now it will go with 1 time. So all things cut out. So basically this means this. So integration of x square is x cube by 3. Integration of x is x square by 2. Integration of dx is x. Similarly, root over 1 plus cos 2. Now 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. So root 2 will go out. Cos x is sine x. So integration of cos x is sine x. Please, you have to keep note. That's why we are telling that this is the integration of cos x is sine x. Clear? So let's see the next sum. Okay, so the next sum, root over 1 plus sine 2x, I have given the formula is sine x plus cos x whole square. So square and root cuts. So integration of sine x and cos is separated. Sine x is minus cos x. Cos x is plus sine x. Integration of root over 1 minus sine 2x is sine x minus cos x whole square. Root and square cuts. Integration of sine x minus integration of cos x. Integration of sine x is minus cos x. Integration of cos x is sine x. Clear? Next is, we'll see this integration of this. Now how to do? Cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. So we are taking from here minus common and writing this. Okay, so now what we will do is, we are doing middle term of this. Minus cos x can be written as minus 2 cos x plus 1 cos x. Taking common from here, taking common 1 from here, this cuts. So 2 cos x plus 1, 2 cos x is integration of 2 cos x is 2 sin x, and 1 means dx is x. So tan square x can be written as sec square x minus 1, integration of sec square x minus integration of dx. So sec square x. So what is sec square x? Please, if you see the chart, sec square x. So let's see sec square x. This is sec square x is tan x. Sec square x is tan x. So let's see. So here we will see, so sec square x is tan x and dx is minus x. This is cot square x. 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. So from here, cot is cosec square x minus 1. Integration of cosec square x is minus cot x minus x. You will always follow that formula list whenever I am doing this, please. Now here, this is multiplied. So the 1 I can write it as sine square x plus cos square x. You know this formula. Instead of this 1, I can write this. Now separate it like this. So this cuts. So 1 by cos square is sec square. 1 by sine square is cosec square. Sec square is tan x. Cosec square is minus cot x. Cos 2x can be written as, please note one thing again, let me show you in that formula. Cos 2x, another formula, let me show it to you. cos 2x can also be written as cos square x minus sine square x. Please keep a note of these formulas because these are very, very important formulas, which will help you to do the numericals. Okay, so instead of cos 2x we are using cos square x, so it's a square minus b square. So we are separating it, basically we are separating it. This cuts 1 by cosine square is cosec square, 1 by cos square is sec, cosec is minus cot, sec is tan. Next, this is the formula, so we are separating it like this, so it becomes 2 cosec square x, and this becomes cos x by sin x is cot x, and 1 by sin x is cosec x. So integration of cosec square x is minus cot x, and integration of cot x cosec x is minus cosec x. Integration of cot x cosec x is minus cosec x. Please refer to the formula list, then only you will get it. Okay, now this minus this whole square, so we are doing a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this tan square x can be written as sec square x minus 1, cot square x can be written as cosec square x minus 1, and this is tan x and cot x will get cut, so it is only 12 dx. Now this can be written as sec square x, 4 sec square x minus 4 dx, 9 sec square x, 9 cosec square x minus 9 dx, and minus 12 dx. Okay, so sec square is tan, dx is x, cosec square is minus cot, dx is x, dx is x, so we are getting this. Next, let us do this. Okay, so we are using the formula. Let me give you this formula again. Please note here, cos A plus cos B is 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. Similarly, cos A minus cos B 2 sine, it is A plus B by 2 sine B minus A by 2 sin A plus sin B 2 sine A plus B by 2 cos. Similarly, sin A minus sin B 2 cos A by 2 sin. So using this, let's see. So cos A minus cos B. Cos A minus cos B is 2 cos 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin B minus A by 2. This is sin B minus A by 2. So taking 2 common, this is cutting, this is 2 cuts. Okay, 2 cuts. And now this is again cos A minus cos B. So 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin B minus A by 2. From here we get this. Now please watch one thing. Again, please watch one thing. Sin 2x is 2 sine x cos x. So sine x will be 2 sine x by 2 cos x by 2. So using that, so see here, this is sine x. So we are writing 2 sine x by 2 cos x by 2. Again this is sine. So 2 sine this by 2, so sine this, cos this by 2. So this and this cuts. So what remains is this. Now see, this is 2. Please watch here. Here is the 2. Here is the 2. So we are keeping 1, 2 inside. So 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B. What is the formula? 2 cos A cos B. Is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So we are using this cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So this from here only cos x, and from here only cos alpha remains. Cos x is sin x. Cos alpha is a constant. It goes out. So 2 cos alpha integration of, this is actually what, 2 cos alpha integration of dx will be x, because cos alpha is a constant term. Okay, we cannot integrate that. Similarly, let's see the next sum. It is sin x plus 1 by 1 plus sin x. So what we have done here is plus 1 minus 1. So this by this it cuts out. And now this term is 1 by this. So what we have done here is 1 minus sin x. We have multiplied by 1 minus sin x up and down. We have multiplied 1 minus sin x up and down. So this becomes 1 minus sin square x, which is cos square x. And this is dx. Dx is x. So it is written as 1 by cos square x minus sin x by cos square x. This is sec square x. This is tan x sec x. Integration of sec square x is tan x. Sec x tan x sec x tan x is integration of sec x tan x is sec x. Please, so you have to know the formula. Next, this. So what we are doing from here is, please watch, we are adding a tan x and minus tan x. We are adding tan x and minus tan x. So this by this and this by this we did. So this cuts out. It is only 1, which is dx. And this we are breaking sin x cos x. We are getting this. Okay. So we are adding plus 1 and minus 1. Now again this by this will cut off as x, and this we are multiplying by 1 minus sin x up and down. So this is 1 minus sin square, which is cos square. So 1 by cos square, which is sec square x, and sin x by cos x is tan x sec x, which is this. Okay friends, this, now we are writing this sin 6x as sin square x whole cube cos square x. Now this is a cube plus b cube, which is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, it is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, so now this is 1, sin square x plus cos square x is 1. That means we are taking only this part, sin 4x by this, cos square x, sin square x by this, cos 4x by this. Okay, so now this part cancels, it is only dx, and this from here only this remains, from here this remains. So this is tan square, which I can write as sec square x minus 1. This is dx. Cot square can be written as cosec square x minus 1. Sec square x is tan x, minus 1 is minus x. This is minus x. Cosec square is minus cot x, and minus 1 is minus x. So this is the answer. Now 1 plus cos 4x by this. So 1 plus cos 2x, 1, please note here, 1 plus cos 2x is what? 2 cos square x. So 1 plus cos 4x should be what? 2 cos square 2x, and this is what we have written here. Okay, and this is cot x, this is tan x. So now this becomes cos square x minus sine square x. Okay, sin x cos x goes up. So from here we can see this is cos square x minus sine square x is cos 2x. So from here 1 cos 2x will cut. So this remains. Okay, so cos 2x and sin 2x will remain. Now taking a half and 2. So 2 sin 2x cos 2x is actually sin 4x. 2 sin 2x cos 2x, because sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. So sin 4x should be 2 sin 2x cos 2x. Okay, so now sin 4x, integration of sin 4x is minus cos 4x by 4, and it will become this. Let's see the next sum. Sin inverse cos x can be written as sin 90 minus theta. So this is pi by 2 minus theta. Sin inverse and sin cuts. So pi by 2 dx minus this. So dx is x, x is x square by 2. 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. 2 cuts. Sin square by cos square is tan square. Inside root becomes tan. Inverse and tan will cut. So it is x is x square by 2. Similarly, see tan x plus sec x. So tan x is sin x by cos x and 1 by cos x. So it becomes this. 1 plus sin x, I told you I can write it as cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. Okay, and cos x I can write as cos square x by 2 minus sin square. Please refer to this. One plus sin 2x is cos x plus sin x whole square. Clear? So 1 plus only sin x will be how much? Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. So that is what I have written here. Similarly, cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. So cos x will be what? Cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2, that I have written. So it is a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So this power is twice, 1 cuts. So this remains. Now I am dividing by cos x by 2 everybody. I am dividing cos x by 2 everybody. So this becomes 1, this becomes tan x, this becomes 1, this becomes tan x. Clear? Now please watch. Now 1 I can write as tan pi by 4, and it was 1 minus tan x, so I could have written 1 into, so this, it was 1 minus tan x, so I could have easily written 1 minus 1 into tan x by 2. So 1 is tan pi by 4. So this is the formula of tan, not tan a plus b. It is tan a plus tan b. 1 minus tan a tan b. So using that concept, so this is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B is tan A plus B's formula. So tan and inverse cuts. So it's pi by 4 integration of dx and half goes out, integration of x is this and this. 1 minus sin x, I have given the formula cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. 1 plus sin x is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. So square and root cuts, this comes. Again dividing by cos x by 2. Dividing everybody with cos x by 2. So this becomes 1 minus tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan x by 2. I can write here 1 into. So that 1 can be written as tan pi by 4. Now this is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B, which is tan A minus B's formula. Inverse and this cuts. So integration of this pi by 4 is a constant, goes out. So integration of dx is x and half goes out. Integration of x is x square by 2, which is becoming 4 because there is a half. Next is this. So this x will go up here, a will go up here, a will go up here. So as I already told you, this will become a to the power x, x to the power a to the power a. A to the power x is a to the power x log a. X to the power a, I will use the formula integration of x to the power n, which is x to the power a plus 1 by a plus 1. A to the power a is fully constant, so only integration of dx is x. Let's come to this. First one will be 1 by m goes out, integration of x. Second one will be m goes out, integration of 1 by x. Third one is this. Fourth one is this. Now this is x square by 2. 1 by x means log x. X to the power m will be x to the power m plus 1 by m plus 1. M to the power x is actually what? A to the power x, which is formula is what? A to the power x by log a to the power x by, so it will be m to the power x by log m. Next is this. So I can write it like this and this. So 2 by 5 common, 3 by 5. So it is looking as a to the power x. A to the power x is a to the power x by log a. Again a to the power x by log a. Okay. Now this can be written. This is a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is separately written. 2x and x. So a to the power x comes. B to the power 2x and b to the power x is b to the power x comes. This cuts. A by b, it is b by a. It is looking like a to the power x, which is a to the power x by log a. Again it is looking like a to the power x, which is a to the power x by log a, and integration of dx is x. Now see, they have given f dash x is this formula. F1 is this, find fx. F dash x means dy by dx is this. So now dy this side, dx on this side. Putting the integration sign on both sides. Integration of dy is y. 3x square will be what? 3x cube by 3. 2 by x cube means 2 to the power x to the power minus 3. So this will become x to the power minus 2 by minus 2, which is becoming this. Now they are telling that if x is 1, the y will come 0. So putting y as 0 and place of x we are putting 1. So we are getting the value of c, which is coming minus 2. So this equation now properly written as fx equal to x cube plus 1 by x square minus 2. So this was our fx equation. So friends, with this we have covered the first type of the integration, and we will be uploading, I will be uploading the more and more other parts also. I will be uploading the other parts also slowly. So this was the first type we have covered the integration. So I would suggest please do the integration slowly. Mainly we have covered today this part of the integration, this part. We have used this formula also, we have used this formula also, we have used this formula, we have used this formula, this formula, this formula, this formula, this formula we have used. Okay, so these are the formulas we have already used up today, but basically we have concentrated on this part. So now what we will be doing in the next again is that we will be continuing with the next part. So my request is, please keep following the integration. It is one of the most important topics, the most important topics you have to know. Okay, so please keep watching Parijat sir classes. Please keep watching Parijat sir classes and like, share and subscribe. Like, share and subscribe my channel as much as possible. Okay, so thank you so much till we meet again for the next class of integration.